Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of some unexpected outcomes. The overnight dairy auction belied the futures market again somewhat, delivering modest rises across the board, probably because European production is sagging a bit more than expected. Demand from China was not strong, but other regions picked up the slack. Overall prices were up another 1.7% on top of the auction's 3.3% rise. Skim milk powder rose 3%, whole milk powder rose 1.7%. However, with the New Zealand dollar on the rise at the same time, the change in local currency was negligible. Still, overall price levels are back to where they were in October 2023. And this is all a bit of an outlier because commodity prices are generally retreating now, both food and metals. The copper price is making a rather fast reversal. In the US, their Red Book index tracking retail sales on a same-store basis was up 5.8% last week from the same week a year ago. Also up were US factory orders, and by a bit more than was expected, to be 3.4% more than the year-ago levels in April. The more upbeat mood was bolstered by a rise in the Logistics Managers Index. It jumped in May on the back of stronger shipments activity. Meanwhile, the April US JOLTS survey reported the number of job openings declined by 296,000 from the previous month to just under 8.1 million, the lowest level since February 2021. So the upcoming weekend release of the US non-farm payrolls for May will have an edge to it. Unexpectedly, it seems that Modi magic has faded for Indian voters. The ruling BJP isn't getting the landslide election result exit polls suggested. They'll still be able to form a government, but it'll be a somewhat chastened government with a coalition result that saw the BJP lose their majority. An election's about to start next in the EU, and all eyes are on an expected swing to populists and far-right parties there. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now at 4.33% and down another 7 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today down $18 from yesterday at $2,330 an ounce. And oil prices are down 50 cents, just on $73.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now at $77.50 a barrel, and a new 4-month low. And the Kiwi dollar starts today unchanged from yesterday at just under 61.8 US cents. But against the Aussie, we're another quarter cent firmer at 92.9 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're marginally firmer as well at 56.8 euro cents. Now that all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 70.9, and little change from yesterday. You can get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.